Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Vedant Vadwalkar, a second year medical student at KJ Somaya Medical College. And I'm absolutely thrilled to have you here today. Medicine is such an incredible field, and I can't wait to share my journey with you all. Late night study sessions, exams, and of course, the excitement of learning how to heal and help others. But it's not just about memorizing books or learning to treat patients. It's also about navigating the complexities of medicine, balancing life, and staying curious about latest advancements. So you might be wondering, what exactly is this channel about? Well, I'm going to share my personal experiences as a medical student, offering behind the scenes look at what it's really like, from highs to lows, the sleepless nights, and little victories. I want to take you on this journey with me. But that's just the one part of it. This channel isn't only for fellow medical students. Whether you are someone curious about health, fascinated by diseases, or simply interested in human body, there's something here for everyone. We'll dive deep into medical topics that matter to you. Things like commonly spreading diseases, new technologies that are changing the way we treat the patients, and latest medical breakthroughs. In today's world, health is on everyone's mind. We have seen how global health crisis can impact us all. And it's more important than ever to stay informed about diseases like diabetes, heart disease, or even pandemics. Together, we break down what these diseases really are, how they affect us, and what modern medicine is doing to fight them. And let's not forget about technologies. The medical field is evolving faster than ever. From robotic surgeries to personalized medicine, I'll be discussing the latest advancement, explaining how they work and what they mean for future of healthcare. Trust me, it's amazing to see how technology is revolutionizing the way we diagnose and treat diseases. Now here's what things really get interesting. While science and medicine are really making progress, there's a lot of misinformation out there. We have all seen pseudoscience spreading in our society, whether it's miracle cures, anti-vaccine movements, or false health claims. Sometimes it's really hard to separate fact from fiction. That's why one of my goals with this channel is to debunk some of these myths. We'll dive deep into science behind these claims and explain why these myths are not just misleading, but sometimes dangerous as well. I help you understand how to approach health information critically, and we'll talk about why it's important to base our decisions on facts, not fear or misinformation. So, whether you're my fellow medical student navigating the complex world of medicine, someone fascinated by health and wellness, or just curious about how our body works, I've got you covered. My mission is to make these topics easy to understand, engaging, and relatable. Join me as we explore everything from detailed explanation of diseases and treatment to fascinating medical technologies and occasionally busting myths that confuse so many of us. My aim is to help you become more informed and empowered when it comes to health and well-being. At the end of the day, understanding medicine doesn't have to be complicated. I'll break it down step by step so everyone can learn. And the best part is we are all in this together, learning, growing, and understanding the amazing world of medicine. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you will join me on this journey. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave a comment. If you have any questions or topic you would like me to cover, and together let's make health and medicine everyone can understand. I'm Vedant, and I see you in the next video.